Martin and I are here doing the practice problems for Module 10, which are found on page 352. This video starts with problem number 1. Please read it to us, Martin.
A chemist mixes sulfuric acid H2SO4 with aluminum hydroxide. Give the balanced chemical equation that represents the resulting reaction.
So in the problem, they give us this chemical formula, H2SO4, but they don't give us the chemical formula for aluminum hydroxide. Since we know that the hydroxide ion is the OH negative ion, and we can find aluminum, Martin, find it in the periodic
3A.
table. It's in column 3A. So this is a 3+ ion, and this is a negative. So how are we going to form the aluminum hydroxide? We switch the sign. We switch the numbers and ignore the signs. What's this number? It's 1, right? So it's Al.
Yes. Oh, close parentheses 3.
Thank you. AlOH3. Okay. So we have H2SO4 plus AlOH3. What kind of reaction should we recognize this as being?
Ionic acid plus base is salt and water.
When we say salt, we do not mean NaCl, table salt. We're talking about a kind of chemical salt. Okay? So what is the formula for water, Martin?
H2O.
H2O. So the water is going to come from this OH and these hydrogens. All right. What is the salt going to be then? It's going to be, oops.
Yes, that.
All right. So we said that the Al is the 3+. What is the charge of the sulfate polyatomic ion?
It's -2 negative.
It is a 2 negative. And you can tell because it's with 2 hydrogens, which is a plus and a plus, so 2 pluses. So it's a 2 negative. So we have Al, 3+, and SO4, which is a 2 negative. So we ignore the signs, and we reverse the numbers. Like that, right? So we're going to end up with Al2, open parentheses, SO4, close parentheses, 3. Okay. This is nice, but it is not yet balanced, right? So now we need to balance it. How many ALs do we need over here?
2.
2. So let's give ourselves at least 2 over here. Okay. Now, how many OHs do we have?
6.
6. So that's going to be at least 6 oxygens. Let's give ourselves 6 waters over here. Make sure that we cover all our oxygens. Are these? How are we doing with the hydrogens? How many hydrogens are here?
6.
6. How many do we need altogether?
12.
12. So where are we going to get the rest of them?
The other one.
How many do we need of these? We need 6
6
more hydrogens. So how many of H2SO4s?
6.
No.
Oh, 3.
3. So 3 H2SO4 plus 2 AlOH3 yields Al2SO4 3 plus 6 H2O. Let's just check. Do we have 6 hydrogens and then 6 more, making 12? 12 hydrogens. How many SO4 polyatomic ions do we have on the left side of the equation?
3.
How many do we have on the right side of the equation?
3.
Good. How many aluminums do we have on the left side of the equation?
2.
Right side?
2.
And do we have the right number of oxygens?
Yes.
That's 6. Good. So this looks like a balanced equation. 3 H2SO4 plus 2 Al, open parentheses, OH, close parentheses, 3, yields Al2, open parentheses, SO4, close parentheses, 3, plus 6 H2O. Any questions about that?
No.
All right, we're going to end this video here.